As a result of all of this equipment, we cut our production time in half. So my family started the business about 40 years ago, and we started in the basement of our home, and I've seen it evolve into this amazing automated facility with beautiful, amazing technology from Park Industries, and it's been a great road to watch the evolution of the stone process from then to now. Stone City has a fully automated fabrication facility with all Park equipment. We started with Park Industries over 20 years ago. Well, we have the ability to precision cut everything, and so by using the technology of the equipment in collaboration with the vision of our client, we're able to produce the kitchen of their dreams. We have 3 TITAN machines, a Fusion, a SABERjet, a Fastback, and a Pro Edge machine. We went with Park Industries because they were American-made, because their proximity to us was very fast. We were able to get parts, equipment, service immediately. Our rep is amazing. We can call him, and within a day we have the part that we need to keep production going. And so having an American company, a trusted, reliable American company, is the way that we want to go. They have an amazing training program. We were able to send our team out to their facility to get a week-long training, and they were able to take that information, bring it back here, and train other staff, and so it's been very successful for us. As a result, our employees have more skill, and they want to grow as people and learn the equipment and stay with our company and grow with us. It just kind of clicked, and then it was just like this easy, just flow. Prior to implementing all of the Park machinery, we had a staff of triple what we have now in order to produce half of the amount of work. As a result of all of this equipment, we cut our production time in half.